up and welcome back to Hayah'z Hive. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Teacher's Day card. So before the video starts, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button and press the notification bell, select all so you never miss a video. So let's get started. First, take a colored A4 size paper and cut it in half. The exact measurement is 21 cm into 15 cm. Next, mark it in half at 7.5 cm and cut it leaving a little space on the edge. Don't cut it completely. Next, take the end of the paper and roll it halfway and mark it so that you can mark the opposite side and get the same size for both sides. Next, take some glue, roll back the paper and stick it together. Do this on the other side as well. Now take a different color paper and fold it into half. I'm using white. And take the red part and apply glue on the back of it. And stick it on the front of the white paper. You have to be able to open it like a card. Next, take another piece of red paper and measure out a strip in the correct length of the card. It shouldn't be too wide. And cut it out and stick it on the left edge of the white paper. Now we are going to make the flower. To make it, you'll need 3 squares of 8 cm. Take a square and fold it diagonally 3 times. Fold it into a small triangle. Now, draw a heart-like shape. And cut it out. The first one is ready. Now, do the same for both the other papers. I have again folded it in the same way. And now I'm just using the first one to trace on this one so that I can get them all to be the same size. Cut off the bottom part. I have made 3 of them like this. Now you can open your flower. It will look like this. Next, cut off one petal along the folds. Cut a little deeper on every fold so that you can bend it later. For the next flower, you'll have to cut 2 petals along the folds and again cut a little deeper on the folds so that you can fold it later. And on the third flower, you have to cut off 3 petals and again cut deeper onto the folds. Now take a pencil and start folding the edges of the petals outwards. Do this for all the flowers. Now stick the flower together with glue. Now take the parts that you had cut off from the flower and glue it together as well. Fold out the edges of the petals for the tiny flowers as well. Take the bottom of the flower and fold it in a little so that it becomes flat. Now take a piece of paper and take a coin and draw a circle onto it and cut it out. Now all the parts of the flower are ready. Stick the biggest flower onto the circle. Next, take the second biggest flower and stick it onto the first one. Do this with all the flowers in order of the number of petals that they have. Don't forget to press down the bottom of the flowers to make it flat. Now I've stuck all the parts of the flower. Next, take your flower and stick it onto the card. I'm using some decorative tape to decorate the card. And also some white pearl beads. Apply glue and stick them on. I have finished decorating my card and this is the final result. Now you can write a message for your teacher. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time. Bye.